My name is Lalit, and I'm here today to invite you for the workshop I'm doing with Tastmasters Academy's Contest NYC conference that is happening in a couple of weeks from now. Well, you might already be noticing that the idea of whole team quality or software quality as whole team's responsibility is picking up in our industry like never before. It's not that this idea is new, but it's never too late, right? Well, what bothers me the most about this is that in an effort to make whole team quality or whole team testing successful, organizations are giving too much importance to automation in testing. Programmers are suddenly expected to test. Programmers are given scripts to follow and create results, useful results through testing and things like that. I believe this is somehow happening because there seems to be an increasing notion, or rather mistaken notion, I would say, about software testing as a pure engineering discipline. Well, yes, with advancement in technology and improvements and improved capabilities in tooling, to a certain extent, things have become way more easier, faster. However, to do this all, we do not need to kill the software craftsmanship spirit and that aspect of software testing. We do not have to achieve whole team quality at the cost of software quality itself. If good enough quality software works for you, it works for you. But for most of the industries, most of the organizations, this still does not help. At Zing, we made some experiments together with my team, and we realized that it is possible to build a quality software in optimum time frame using engineering practices and resources in optimum fashion without compromising and killing the spirit of software craftsmanship. And this workshop is going to be all about what we did, how we achieved it, and how you could too do that in your respective teams. If this is something that interests you, I invite you to please join my training and let's together find the better ways of doing testing and improving quality across the software delivery process. Thank you and see you there. Go.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm an Agile project manager at Xing on the Start Page team. I would highly recommend Lalit's whole team quality workshop. It really brought the team a lot closer together. It taught everyone way more about what quality actually means, and that it's not just a single part of the entire development process, but is really something to be worked on together as an entire group. I think the team is really excited to do more pairing, to focus more on quality with both product and QA and the developers, and really build it into the entire process, because it's something that needs to be worked in to the product, to the process, and to the mindsets of the people. So I'm really looking forward to seeing the fruits of the workshop.
Hello, my name is Carolina, and I work as a QA at Zing. I recently participated in a workshop that Lalit did about a whole team testing, and I would just like to share how was the experience. It was a very great environment. It was a mix of different people from different backgrounds in tech. There was me as a tester, there was also developers, there was POs, there was even an Agile coach. It was a really cool atmosphere, and he had really good exercises for us, so we could also try to put ourselves in a testing situation, creating test cases and so on. In both me and my colleagues, it felt like something that we could work on ourselves. It was not a pre-made agenda on its own, and we could find ourselves in the role with really great ideas. So I'm here to fully recommend it.
My name is Shamia Frin. I'm from New York. I worked at VAR Mobility as a QA analyst. So there is a lot of things I have learned. So I have learned new technique to do testings because my career is more about the focusing in my testings. So new strategies that I have learned. So to tell about that as an example, in Lalit workshop where I have learned a new technique that he had used in his teams, which is the heuristics methodologies and the processes that will help me to implement in my process as well. The takeaway things that I got it, I have worked with my teams. They have showed me how to test a website in a different way that I would never think about it if I wouldn't come in this event. As a manager, they will able to teach their tester how to do the testing in a different way. In an event that I have learned how to control the stress and how to do the test in production as well, and how to solve the troubleshooting whenever we'll have while doing the testing. So these things helps a test manager to tell about their tester to solve the problem whenever they will have it doing to their day-to-day life. So as a lead, they will able to handle their peoples more easily, not to get stressed more, and not to be worry about their work.
Hi, my name is Burak. I'm coming from Turkey. I came to New York specifically for this event, and I had a lovely time here for the last 4 days, and I believe tomorrow will be as much fun. For first 2 days, we had a whole testing as a whole team session with Lalit, and it was a lovely event. There were like 15 people, and we had a lot of fun together. We had interactive sessions, and we learned a lot from Lalit, and I think I will be able to apply what I've learned from him to my job back in Turkey to make things more smoother and faster. Well, I'm a QA tester, and this includes working with both technical and non-technical people, including salespeople. And this way, testing as a whole team means that everybody does their part during the whole production cycle, including checking the smallest things that will be thought as unimportant to other people. And from what I learned here, it shows me that everybody can do their part to make things faster and smoother. I'm sure that I will be able to apply all of this to my work, and I will make everyone work smoother and faster in a more compatible way.